to use Heaton as my backup torture doll. Just ain't the same. At the sound of Heaton screaming for his life, it will be 2:30. Oh God, wait! See you again at 2:35! A few of you have asked me why I keep playing these pre-recorded messages on a loop. Well, I've got a great answer for you. A red-hot poker to the eye! Isn't that right, Claptrap?
It was just a question, Mr. Flint.
That's Captain Flint to you.
I'm legally obligated to tell you, I ain't a real doctor. See you real soon, I'm sure.
I'm the one who knocked! God wants to say ah! No, that was nothing! Screw you!
Almost dead? I can fix that. Be careful with that. Try not to die.
Got a proposition for you two. You and Clappy be our personal torture buddies for life, and we won't kill you. Think it over. Take your time.
Say hello, darling.
around here. Pummel away!
Now you be careful, honey. Damn it! That's my girl.
Second, Flint! My new minion's a bona fide badass! Protect me, Squire!
Sentry gun primed!
Stairs? I can't climb stairs! Let's find another way up. Ooh, a crane! Find the controls. I'll wait here!
Bury me with the zombie. I'm ready for more. Drop it, sentry!
Riding on immobile platforms is one of my top 3 favorite pastimes, right behind dancing and crying. I ascend!
A fantastic day for capitalism. Don't have too much fun.
Come on out, Flint! Your claptrap unit has returned!
The new torture dolls, boys! Let's turn up the heat!
Oh, sphincters! I'm so sorry, Captain Flintstone! Please, don't burn me again!
That's right!
Oh, yeah! You're the most fearsome warrior this glacier has ever seen, pal!
Hey, stand in front of it! Tossing grenade!
All right, now we've just got to get to my ship. There she is! Me mighty vessel! Lower her into the water, you salty dog! And now, let us set sail!
Sanctuary's off limits. You bloodshots can stay in your hole. I see you! Awesome. Why don't you boys run on back to your camp? Oh, good idea. I think we'll just turn around and head back to our... Die!
Pandora is a violent and dangerous place. Sanctuary is slightly less so. You'll need a card to reach the city gate. Get to the catcher ride.
Dropping sentry! Tossing the little lady.
This machine will digitally...
Whoa! Unauthorized user up in my grill! You trying to hack my catch a ride? Uncool, bro. Uncool.
Damn it. Oh, sorry. Darn it. A man named Scooter controls these catch-a-ride machines. He may be short a few chromosomes, but he's a savant when it comes to vehicles. He's locked the station to prevent the bandits from using it. But I'm reading an inactive Hyperion bot in the Bloodshot camp. If you can attach its interface adapter to the catch-a-ride, I can hack the machine and get you a car.
Take this!
Just attach the adapter onto the catch-a-ride, and I'll get you a free car.
In getting revenge on those who killed you, unless you were killed by Hyperion personnel.
Feeling overburdened by money? Come back anytime.
Executing phase shift.
Rescinding lockdown.
Wait a moment while I hack the Catch-A-Ride.
Authorized user accepted. Enjoy the ride, and there's a pimento in the glove box.
Cool. Try requesting another car.
Thanks for using Scooter Catch a Ride, bitch!
Real charmer, that one. You should now be able to digistruct a car from any Catch-A-Ride station. Now use one to jump that gap. Great. Now head to Sanctuary and find Roland. He'll want to meet the Vault Hunter who stared down Handsome Jack and lived.
Sometimes I so unburdened things like intelligence, culture, morality, honor, ambition, good looks. I could go on, but I won't. But I can. Dignity! I almost forgot to mention dignity! Easy, Blood Stallion. Easy.
Let us in, Grinder! We're only gonna kill every last one of you! You can't have...
You're never getting into Sanctuary, you bloodshot skaglicks. Hold up. You're a Vault Hunter. Just a sec. Roland wanted to talk to you. Let me echo him. Oh, so you're the one I've been hearing all this radio chatter about. Name's Roland. I used to be a Vault Hunter like you, until I formed the Crimson Raiders. We'll catch up when I get back to Sanctuary. For now, I need your help. My men tell me Corporal Reese hasn't returned the power core that we need to keep the city's shields running. Bring Reese back to Sanctuary, and you'll have earned your place in the Raiders.
Roland's contacted you? Good. Listen to what he says. He can help us defeat Jack.
Handsome Jack here, reminding you all not to worry your pretty little heads about those earthquakes. See, with every tremor, my drill gets closer to the vault, to freedom, order, and safety for us all. Except to you asshats at Sanctuary.
Sentry gun primed!
Why loot the dead when you can buy from me?
is in trouble? Dang, spread thin enough as it is. Find him, soldier.
Goddamn bloodshot's, there's too many of them. If anyone can hear me, I need help! You're stag bait, Grinder!
Stay home today, Grinder!
Vault Hunter? Didn't think I rated that much of a rescue. One of those psychos ran off with the power core. Without it, Sanctuary will be defenseless. Get that core back to Sanctuary. I'm just gonna take it there. Wake me up.
Reese is dead? He was one of the first Crimson Lancemen I recruited to the Raiders. Get that power core back, and while you're at it, kill some bandits for Reese. That's what he would have wanted.
Looks like you've got an area waypoint. Sometimes your echo device can't find the precise location of what you're looking for. Search the area marked by the big-ass green circle on your minimap. Your objective is somewhere in that area.
Another story! honey?
Resistance lost a good man today, but I'm sure Reese would have been happy to know how quickly he wiped out those bloodshots.
Here you go.
That's the power core. Great. Jack won't destroy Sanctuary today, at least. I'll get back to the city. We'll meet up once I get there. Welcome to the Crimson Raid. Oh, damn it! I'm being attacked. I'll see you.
This is a message to Sanctuary, the last stronghold of the Resistance. And/or, as you knew it, the Chaos, the Bandits. That time has passed. If you let it, this could be an era of order, of peace. Just turn yourselves in, and I promise, your deaths will be quick.
Roland, is that...
Hey, you like my speech? I was lying about the last part, by the way. I'm gonna spend a long time torturing you bandit scum to death. And I'll enjoy it even more because... I shouldn't say anymore. I got a little secret that I... You know what? You don't need to hear it. It'll probably just confuse you. Ciao. Made it to Banditville, huh? Well done! It'll be nice to see a friendly face when I'm burning that place to the ground. Oh, and I have decided that I will tell you my secret later on, once you've earned it.
You're the one Commander Roland was talking about. The one who faced Jack and lived. Look, we need your help bad. But first things first, plug that power core into the shield generator. Good, that ought to last us a day or two. Roland was supposed to bring us some intel on how to stop Jack. With him missing, we really need your help. Talk to Private Jessup at the gate. He'll let you enter the city. Jessup! Stand up straight! We got a Vault Hunter headed your way!
Blitz! Look alive, everybody! Iberian Moonshot Blitz! Without that fresh core you brought, those lunar mortars would have punched right through the shield!
Let me get the gate for you. Commander Roland never came back from his secret reconnaissance mission. He left very specific orders for this contingency which you can help carry out. Go meet with the town mechanic.
Crap. Darn. Roland needs your help. Without you, the Crimson Raiders don't stand a chance against Jack. Please find out where Roland's gone.
This is a recorded message to any Crimson Raiders in the area. Sanctuary has been targeted by 4 Hyperion spies masquerading as bandits. They're hiding out in Three Horns. Find them, kill them, and see if you can figure out why they're here.
I think I might be. Somebody see me? Holler.
No new jobs. Shame. I love to watch you work.
Vault Hunt! Bullymong. Rubbish name, isn't it? I'd like a better one before my almanac goes to print. Search some Bullymong bone piles, will you? I'll learn something about their diets and come up with a catchier name for the beasts.
Oh, man. You are the cool.
If he ain't dead, I'll keep you that way.
Could I have a refund, please? This gun doesn't seem to work.
I don't know. Looks like it works to me. I've got an opportunity for you. Hey, Vault Hunter! If you're gonna be a part of the Crimson Raiders, you better know how to use elemental weapons, don't you think? I've just got a crate of spanking new Maliwan elemental weapons. Wanna help me test them out? I'll see you in the firing range. Let's try out the fire weapon first, huh? Fire weapons are extremely effective against flesh, but they're crap at destroying shields.
Go to hell, bandits!
Now, burn that imperialist bastard like a skag steak! Haha! Fire and flesh. Quite a nasty combination. Now, how about a shielded target? This Hyperion fascist thinks he's safe because he's got a shield. Spoilers, he isn't.
It's only a matter of time until Jack burns this city to the ground, you resistant scum!
Take that, Jack lover! A few good hits from a shock weapon will zap a shield away quicker than you can say buyer's remorse. Now what else? Armor. Armored targets like these damned Hyperion robots can take a lot of damage. Unless you've got a corrosive weapon.
Weapons may only be sold by Hyperion representatives. All non-Hyperion arms dealers will be forcibly relocated to Jackville.
See how the acid eats through the metal? I must confess, I love corrosive weapons. Now, let's try out these new slag weapons. Slag is a bit more complex. If you slag your enemy, all non-slag damage will hurt even more. Here, slag this chump. Now that he's slagged, he should be easy enough to finish off. Switch to another weapon and hit him again. Great! The weapons work, and you're ready to take on Handsome Jack. Now, let's talk about your payment. If you want to purchase any elemental weapons like these, you could always buy some from your friendly neighborhood arms dealer.
When you think murder, think Marcus Munitions.
We'll make it through this.
You found a customization station! You can use this to change your appearance and reset your skill points!
Just want to get by.
Round
Don't rob me!
complete idiots. No. Whatever it is, no.
Just give me something to shoot. someone actually bought one?
And now for the latest edition of This Just In with Hunter Hellquist. This is Hunter Hellquist of Hyperion Truth Broadcasting. The bandit city of Sanctuary has been all but destroyed by internal struggle and the might of Hyperion's noble forces. Handsome Jack's heartfelt pleas to the bandit population have done nothing to stem the tide of death, murder, and corruption that tears Sanctuary down from within. With any luck, the last bastion of bandit resistance will be but
Where have you
cinders and
been?
rubble.
I was
before
going
the
to
year
show you
is
the shortcut to Sanctuary, but you wandered off. I also can't help but note a considerable lack of welcome back hot trap decorations. Oh well, I'm sure they just haven't finished setting them up yet.
I don't feel like a bandit.
I don't have any new jobs for you. Your eagerness, however, has been noted.
I'm starving! I want to eat your babies!
Son, this might sting a bit. No new jobs for you, sorry.
The shield's right here. Hope it helps. Try not to die.
Much as I enjoy paying you to kill stuff, I can't think of anything I won't do.
Oh, crap. Is you Hyperion? I heard all of you were robots and you eat metal out the garbage and stuff. Knew you wired death machines be come for me once Roland went missing. Now, if you're here to kill me, you should probably know. You'll never take me alive, you robotic son bitch! Wait a minute. Ha! Well, hang me upside down from a telephone pole, cover me in honey, and lead me to a slow death at the hands of hungry spider ants. You ain't no Hyperion robot. You're a vile hunter, huh? That's like a unicorn. Now, you gonna help us out with this Roland situation? I heard them Crimson Raider dudes talking about it. Roland told me if you ever disappeared, I was supposed to initiate Plan B, or as I like to call it, Plan Turn this city into a floating ass fortress of airborne awesomeness. B. I got some fuel cells around here. You'll need those. Oh, and you'll need this iridium here too. Well, let's head to the center of town and plug those two fuel cells into the ignition primers. You're gonna need a third, which is why I gave you that here red rock. You can buy the last cell from Earl's Black Market. Careful though, Earl's crazy. He ate one of my cars once. Yeah, the whole car. Just like with a fork.
Bandits of Sanctuary! I hear a new Vault Hunter has arrived in your city, so just turn him into me and you'll be rewarded. Don't worry.
Roland said we gotta have an exit strategy just in case he ever disappeared, hence all the fuel cells and whatnot. Bummer though. He really wanted to meet you. Raiders ain't gonna last without some new blood, and given how you shot them bandits up, I'd say you and Blood got an extra special relationship. Like cousins taking a bath together. Oh.
What you want? Just buy something and I'll toss in this crap fuel cell. Just touching it made two of my fingers rot off. I only accept iridium. Cash is for clowns, boy. Thanks for the iridium, chump. Out of my face! Out of my face!
What happens next?
thanks for grabbing all that stuff for me. Third-degree burns are best taken in shifts. Now, to see the fruits of your loins, this city is gonna fly! Or not. Damn. Well, now we really gotta find Roland. You know what? Maybe get to Roland's place. I think he might have left a message there for you.
Military cash, back off!
Vault Hunter, get in! Roland left a message for you.
Lock and load. A pleasure. Your cash ain't worth a thing if you don't spend it.
I got a good feeling about you. Can't nothing stop us.
Hey, soldier. If you're hearing this, I'm in trouble. Right now, you're the only thing standing between this city, hell, the whole planet, and Handsome Jack's army. I left info about my whereabouts in my safe. You can use it to store anything you need. This is your home now. Good luck.
This is the Firehawk. Come to Frostburn Canyon or people will die.
The Firehawk? You mean the mass murderer and bounty hunter? Oh, crap! If the Firehawk's got him, Roland's in deep! You gotta get to Frostburn Canyon and rescue his ass!
If Roland has been captured by the Firehawk, he's in danger. You're the only one who can stop Jack, but Roland is the man with the plan, so to speak. He knows the best way to strike at Hyperion.